Hello guys, today we're going to do a special unboxing. So I have PlayStation 5, which is right here. Even I have extra controller. I have Spider-Man, Miles Morales, and I have the Kobe game. Let's get started. My daddy's going to help me unbox. Okay guys, you have to watch out too. Please ask your parents to do this. This is very dangerous for kids. Okay guys, now we're going to pull it out. Whoa! And we have another box. Let's open it. Let's open it. We got another box. So we have a user manual. We have a power cable. And we have a controller. And we have the PlayStation stand. Here's the stand for a PlayStation. This is the HDMI cable. Now let's take out the PlayStation. Now we're pulling in the biggest part of the PlayStation. Right, Daddy?
That's right. Whoa. Whoa, okay.
Yeah. Okay guys, that's the PlayStation. If you want more PlayStation videos, click the subscribe button. If you want more PlayStation videos, just comment down below. See you later. Peace.